today's video, I will show you simple AI tools that can help you make money online. Welcome. So if you've been wanting to turn your ideas into actual income online, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to unpack a simple but really powerful AI tools to help you launch your very first gig. Let's get right into it. Does this feel familiar? You've got the drive. You are ready to make some money online. But where do you even begin? Feels like there are a million options and it's so easy to get overwhelmed. I get it. But I'm going to show you that the starting point is way simpler than you think. So here it is. This is your first starter kit. We'll boil the whole process down to 3 essential easy to use tools. Just think of it as your personal launchpad, designed to get you from idea to income, even if you have absolutely zero experience. Alright, first let's talk about tools number 1, the content creator. This is basically your idea generator. It is the foundation for everything you're going to offer. Meet Chatgpt. Seriously, at its core, this tool is like your own personal writing assistant. You give it a simple prompt, like a little instruction, and it can spit out everything from a catchy social media caption to a full-on video script. It is the engine that brings your idea to life with words. Okay, so you're probably wondering, how does this actually turn into cash? Well, it's pretty simple. Businesses and creators are always, and I mean always, hungry for new content. You can offer to manage their social media, write their weekly newsletter, or even script their YouTube videos, and you can do it all with this one tool. But you know, great content is only half the battle. To really grab someone's attention, it has to look good, and that brings us to tool number 2, the visual designer. This is how you make your ideas pop, and that tool is Canva. Now, if you've ever thought I am just not a designer, Canva was literally made for you. It's a platform built on drag and drop simplicity, letting pretty much anyone create amazing professional looking graphics in just a few minutes. Yeah, no art degree required, and trust me, the opportunities here are huge. Think about it. Every YouTube video needs a thumbnail. Every single business needs post for social media. You can be the person who provides these essential visuals. You can even get creative and sell your own custom design template. Okay, so you can create the content, you can design the visuals, but how do you find people who are actually going to pay you for it? This brings us to the final and maybe most crucial piece of our starter kit, the marketplace. Welcome to Fiverr. The best way to think of it is like a giant online market, but instead of selling Apple or something, you are selling your skills. It connects you, the freelancer, direct with a huge global audience of clients who are looking for the exact services you now know how to offer. And getting started is so easy. Seriously, you just build a profile, you create what they call a gig, which is just a listing of each service you offer. You set your price, and boom, just like that, you are officially open for business to clients and all over the world. Now, for the magic, see the real power here. Isn't just using these tools by themselves. It is all about combining them into one seamless process to offer a complete super value service. It's a really simple three-part system. ChatGPT gives you the content, Canvas gives you the design, and Fiverr is the storefront where you sell it. Together, they create a complete service package. The big takeaway here is this: you are not just a writer or designer anymore. You are a one-stop creative shop. Let's make this real. Here is exactly what your first gig could look like, step by step. Step 1, you use ChatGPT to create a blog post. Step 2, you hop over to Canva to design a beautiful header graphics for it. Step 3, you package them together and sell it on Fiverr as a blog post starter kit. It's a clear, simple, and really valuable offer. And just remember, the real beauty of this whole system is how accessible it is. You don't need a fancy degree. You don't need a huge investment. These tools are made for beginners, and you can use them from pretty much anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. You know, the goal here isn't just to do one-off gigs. It's about building a system that can actually generate passive income from anywhere. It's about creating assets that work for you, which gives you incredible freedom and flexibility. So the toolkit is officially in your hands now. You have got the content engine, you have got the design studio, and you've got the global marketplace. The only thing left to do is to start.